Hello, we are Watches GMT. We buy and sell luxury watches. Today we want to show you a Rolex. This model is the Jackmaster, reference 116622, in stainless steel, with platinum bezel and blue dial, from 2016. The size of this watch is 40mm, and the watch is in perfect condition, revised and polished. It comes with box, booklets, warranty card and 3-year warranty. We offer 24-hour shipment to all Europe, also international, with full insured service. Visit us at watchesgmt.com. Follow our latest news on Facebook and Instagram.